Hey, we're back. It's Fish Friday. Woo! Jen and Zig from Colchester Pet Where Fish Are Friends. Yeah! Working on our... We got in a lot of salt water today. So, here we go. Nothing really changed up here. This is our beautiful pair of an extreme Da Vinci and a longfin, and they paired up and they've been hanging out in that nest. So that's pretty amazing. We have a fire shrimp, a bunch of cleaner shrimp, oops, sorry guys. There's a cleaner shrimp. We did get in some lettuce nudibranchs, and we have a purple firefish. And you can say hi to Bullet. In October, he'll be a whole year. He's getting big, isn't he? And then you can say hi to Dijon. He's doing really well. A little camera shy with the camera in his face. He's a Grandma Dijon guy. And he's a permanent resident because he has a bad gill. So you can come and see him whenever you want. Alright, now Ziggy switched shoulders, and now he can see himself, so we're gonna walk back down to the rest of the saltwater. Alright guys, say hi to Tango. Can you believe he turned 4 in May? And there's a little coral beauty, all captive bred. There's an urchin in the back. Look how clean this tank stays. Awesome. And some of our brood stock. These are blue reef chromis that we're gonna breed eventually. We've had them for about a year. And sorry guys, coral. We're getting more coral next week. We're getting a lot of cool stuff. Even gonna try some SPS. Alright. So we got some Anthias, Squamopinus, lyre-tail Anthias, and some green chromis in. We have all the little hermit crabs. We have an arrow crab if you have worms. Little Valentini puffer. Emerald crabs. Hi. And multicolor angel. And Ziggy. Sea bay clowns. Blue-sided fairy wrasse. I know I put somebody else in here today. I don't remember what it was though. Maybe it was a fox face. Oh, look at this school of chromis. How cool is that? They all just came in. And they're all, woo! Isn't that Anthias nice, Christina? They're so pretty. You know. Necarius snails. A big mandarin. A little hippo tang who's been here for a little while. Lots of snails. Can't even see in the tank. Peppermint shrimp. Scooter blennies. A yellow watchman goby. 6-line wrasse. Lawnmower blenny. I'm sure I'm missing some guy. You know, I'm sure that there's some that aren't out right now. Well, Christina, we have 3. If you get a treat, isn't that awesome? Dotty backs and yellow watchman gobies, fork-tail blennies, cardinal from biota, I don't remember what it was. Coral beauty. All of those guys are captive bred. We have one more tank. Here's some of our water. Alright, one more tank, guys, sorry. This happens when you film live when you're still open. Alright, so PJ Cardinal. I love these rainford gobies. They eat hair algae. They're just awesome, and they're captive bred. Black Cardinal from ORA. Alright, so that's it. Hey, Chris. Woo. Oh, we also have sand sifting starfish. We have whatever Ziggy's telling you that we have. Come on. Do something else. Come on, keep going. Come on. Give the people what they want. Come on, sing. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sing it better. Come on, they're here for you. They're here for you. Look at that beautiful bird. Oh yeah. You are a beautiful bird. Sing for that beautiful bird in the mirror. Come on. Let's do it. La 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 la. Sing better. Sing again. Come on, people need it. They want you. Yeah? Anything else? Wow. Keep going. Come on. Anything else? Alright, well you have heard it. Straight from the parrot's mouth. That Colchester pet is awesome. But you already knew that, didn't you? Alright, this has been Jen and Ziggy from Colchester Pet, where fish and parrots are friends.